Chapter 5 one day revisions. Okay, in this video we'll see chapter 5 one day revisions. First one is 5.1 continuity. Okay, continuity, all formulas are given. First, what is if f of x is continuous at x equal to, then we need to prove limit extends to a f of x equal to f of a. So use this for easy questions. Generally they give three types. What are the types? F of x equal to some functions x less than a and x greater than equal to a. Sorry. Similarly, f of x is given like x not equal to a and x equal to a. Okay, and again some function, okay, where all x belongs to or real numbers like that. Okay, if this kind of form given f of x equal to this, okay, then use this formula. For simple type, use a limit as x to a f of x equal to f of a. For linear functions, okay, அதுக்கெல்லாம் நீங்கள் இந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, or these two types, use this formula. Similarly, x tends to a means minus a plus a. Okay, minus a means LHL, plus a means RHL. Okay, f of a means value of the function. Just replace a given a in f of x. Okay, in all three formulas, see, we have three formulas for continuity. This one is a short type. Okay, and this one is again in terms of a means minus a plus a, minus a means LHL, R plus a means RHL. Okay, and this main formula, if f is continuous at x equal to a, then limit h to 0 f of a minus h, limit x tends to 0 f of a plus h into equal to f of a. So the LHL, RHL, what are the functions? For big questions like this kind of questions, this type of questions, we can use this formula. All questions also we can use this formula, but it's most very important. Here h means a small quantity. Okay, and then few formulas about continuity. Limit of a function at x equal to a, limit of a function at x equal to a is which is equal to value of the function in the neighborhood at x equal to a. Or function limit apply பண்றோம் at one point now, then we need to check the neighborhood points. Suppose okay, I'm checking at x equal to a, then check the neighborhood points x less than a and x more than a. So limit of a function means we need to check neighborhood points of that point. Okay, here h is a small positive real number, okay, which does not affect any functions. நம்ம given function affect பண்ணாது. So generally we take RHL, we take x equal to a plus h, and LHL we take x equal to a minus h. Okay, right hand limits means in RHL there is a limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h. Left hand limit means LHL, there is limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h. Value of the function means f of a. Limit exists at x equal to if RHL, LHL, value of the function, all three are equal. Okay, f of a means some finite real numbers. ஸோ மோஸ்ட்லி நம்ம லிமிட்ஸ்க்கு எதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுறோன்னா இன்டிடெர்மினன்ட் ஃபார்ம் கிடைக்கும் இல்லைங்களா. ஜெனரலாக லிமிட் எக்ஸ்டென்ஸ் ஏ அப்ளை பண்ணும்போது 0/0 ஃபார்ம் வரலாம், இன்ஃபைனிட் பை இன்ஃபைனிட், இது மாதிரி ஃபார்ம்ஸ் 7 ஃபார்ம்ஸ் இருக்குது, இதில் எதுனா வரலாம். ஸோ மோஸ்ட்லி நமக்கு இந்த 0/0 ஃபார்ம் கிடைக்கும். அப்போ நம்ம சம்டைம்ஸ் ஃபேக்டரைஸ் பண்ணலாம், கிவன் ஈக்குவேஷன் ஃபேக்டரைஸ் பண்ண முடியுமா, இல்லை எது ஐடென்டிட்டி யூஸ் பண்ண முடியுமான்னு பார்க்கலாம். அதர்வைஸ் வி நீட் டு செக் continuity formula. Okay, method for solving continuity, we have three methods like factorization, standard forms, L'Hospital rule. சரிங்களா, standard forms means here that is in this rule apply for when it determined form. Okay, 11th இது படிச்சிருப்பீங்க, 12th yeah, 11th also we did this. 12th we see factorization and standard forms. Standard forms in mainly sin x by x equal to 1. This formula is very important. Okay, continuity at a point at x equal to a is either continuous or discontinuous. Continuous at a point which is equal to if we can draw the graph of a function around that point without lifting the pen from the plane of a paper. This is what continuity about. So similarly, functions, if two functions continuous, then the sum also continuous at that point. Similarly, difference, multiplication and division denominator not equal 0. It's very important questions. Sometimes உங்களுக்கு bigger questions வருது, ரெண்டு functions வருதுன்னா நீங்கள் இது மாதிரி algebraic functions concepts apply பண்ணலாம். சரிங்களா, very important. When composition f composition g or f of g of x is continuous at x equal to x, so composition function is continuous. And then main important definitions, every polynomial function is continuous, important. Boxes means graded integer function. ஓகேங்களா, boxes na graded integer functions. So box of a, generally what is graded integer functions? Graded integer function is not continuous. Okay, because see, if I have 0 to 1, 2, 3. Similarly -1, -2. Okay, if I take values from 0 to 1, answer is 0. Any value, box of 0 box of 0 is 0, box of 0.1 is 0, box of 0 up to 9. Okay, values from 0 to 1 is always 0. Then values from 1 to 2 is always 1. Okay, 1 box of 1 is 1, box of 1.1 is 1, box of 1.9 is 1 only. Then values from 2 to 3 also 0, sorry 2. From any values from 2 to 3 is always 2. Okay, similarly values from -1 to 0 is always -1. Values from -2 to -1 is always -1. See, there is jump. It is not continuous, right? That's why box X is not continuous. Okay. So again, we can use some formula. Box of A means A. Box of A minus H. If H means some small quantity, if I reduce that value, I get A minus 1. Okay. Box of A means A minus. Suppose 2 minus, suppose, sorry, okay, A minus 1, A plus H means A. Okay. Sine, cos functions are continuous at every real numbers. A function f is said to be discontinuous, which means it is not continuous. Every constant function is continuous function. Identity function is continuous function. Identity means what? Y equal to x. Every constant means y equal to some constant. That is f of x. Every logarithmic and exponential function is continuous. Every logarithmic and exponential functions are continuous. Every rational function is continuous. All trigonometric functions are continuous in that domain. Modulus function is continuous, important one. Modulus function is continuous. The given integer function is not continuous for all integral values, important thing. Okay, every polynomial is continuous. Every polynomial function is continuous. Modulus function is continuous. Okay, they are very important thing. From these kind of definitions, definitely we can expect one question will come. And then I gave polynomial conditions similarly. Okay, and the video link, I give a PDF of these concepts. Just make sure you know what these. So RHT, LHT formulas. Okay, RHT means limit extends to 0, f of a minus h, f of a plus h minus f of a by h, and LHT means f of a minus h by f of a minus h minus f of a divided by minus h. We can also say LHT means L f dash of a, RHT means R f dash of a. Okay. Here also we have some important concepts. Every polynomial function is differentiable at x belongs to R. Every exponential function is differentiable at x belongs to R. Every constant function is differentiable. Every logarithmic function is differentiable. Trigonometric and inverse trigonometric functions are differentiable at their domain values. And sum and difference product quotient of two different functions, two functions differentiable function is differentiable. When the function on the differentiable, and the sum also differentiable. Composition of differentiable function is always differentiable. Okay, so if f is differentiable, we need to prove LHT RHT are equal. If both LHT RHT equal, then f is differentiable. Then few formulas related differentiable. Okay, then derivatives formulas. இந்த ஃபார்முலாஸ் தெரியாமல் நீங்கள் வந்து டிஃபரன்சியேஷன் சம்ஸ் போடவே முடியாது. ஸோ ஜென்ரல் ஃபார்ம் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. differentiation of first constant. What is differentiation of constant? 0. Okay, differentiation of constant. So differentiation of constant is 0. Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. Differentiation of t is dt by dx. Differentiation of theta d theta by dx. And then differentiation of a plus x, differentiation of a minus x, differentiation of a into x, differentiation of a by x. Okay, see, differentiation of a plus x means a constant, x is 1, so 0 plus 1. Here 0 minus 1. Here a is constant in the form it's a into x, right? x is variable and a is constant, so keep constant same and differentiate variable alone, so a into 1. Here a is constant, take out, differentiate variable. So differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. This is taken from standard form. Okay, basic formulas. Constant means 0, x means 1, y means d of x, a plus x means 0 plus 1, a minus x means 0 minus 1, ax means in product form, take always constant out. Okay, and differentiate variable alone. Now see the other formulas. Differentiation of x power n means n x power x minus 1, but we need to differentiate base also. So I gave, for this formula I gave this differentiation of base power rule. Okay, just do all algebraic sums, okay, in this formula. Power dot base power minus 1, differentiation of base. Differentiation of x power 5 means 5x power 4 dot differentiation of x is 1. In case if they ask differentiation of y power 5, differentiation of y power 5 means formula 5y power 4 dot d of x. Okay, using base power formula. X power 5 means 5x power 4 dot 1. So for this we need base power form. Okay, again differentiation of constant 1 by x power form. So these three are very, very important. So differentiation of base power, differentiation of 1 by x power n, 1 by x power n is minus n divided by x power n plus 1, and differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root of x. We can also say root of anything. So differentiation of root of anything is 1 by 2 root of anything dot differentiation of anything. Use this formula. Okay, these three formulas are very important in algebraic and trigonometry formula. 6 formulas. Here sine and cos are opposite functions, tan and cot are square functions, secant and cosine are product functions. General formula, we can remember this one. This is very important. Using this we can find everything. This is f dash of x. So f of anything means other than x we can consider as x anything from x இல்லாமல் வேறு எது வந்தாலும் நீங்கள் anything எடுத்துக்க. So f of anything na f dash of anything dot anything dash. So sin of ax plus b, here f is sin anything is ax plus b. So f dash means cos anything keep. So என்னது f na sin anything na ax plus b. So f dash சொல்லும்போது sin na cos is differentiation. So sin na cos anything அப்படியே எடுத்துக்கங்க. Dot differentiation of anything ax plus b is a. Then inverse formula, differentiation of sin inverse is 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. We know, if you know sin inverse, then cos inverse opposite. Tan inverse is 1 by 1 plus x square. Cot inverse is opposite. Secant inverse 1 divided by x root of x square minus 1, and then cosine inverse is opposite. And then derivative of exponential and logarithmic functions. Differentiation of log of anything is 1 by anything dot differentiation of anything. Dash means differentiation of x only. Okay, so this is very important. So log of x means 1 by x dot differentiation of x is 1. In case log of y means 1 by y dot differentiation of anything will be y. Y differentiation is dy by dx. Similarly here e power x. E power anything means e power anything dot differentiation of anything. Here the place of x we have anything. So other than x means use anything form. So use here e power x dot differentiation of x is 1. E power minus x, differentiation of e power minus x is e power minus x, differentiation of minus x is minus 1. Then a per anything formula. So a per anything means a per anything log a dot differentiation of anything. So 2 power sin x means the constant a is 2, anything is sin x. So 2 power sin x log 2, differentiation of sin x is cos x. Then product rule, quotient rule. Okay, so differentiation of uv is uv dash plus vu dash. Differentiation of u by v, vu dash minus uv dash divided by v square. Then some formulas related to log format. Log a per b is b log a, log ab is log a plus log b, log a by b is log a minus log b, log 1 value is 0. Okay, anything power any value, anything power 0 is also 1. Okay, log and e cancel always each other, so we get x. Inverse function, normal function cancel each other, so x. Similarly, some basic formulas of chapter that is chapter 2 and chapter 5 formulas. இது வந்து chapter 10, I mean 10th learning படிச்சிருப்பீங்க, trigonometric identity formulas. and the sin of minus x, cos of minus x, tan of minus x, and inverse formula. We don't use these formulas because deleted. Then sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x, cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x, and then tan 3x, okay, and tan related formulas. And then this is very very important formulas, okay. And then quadrant formula. What is quadrant formula? Pi by 2 minus theta is first quadrant, pi by 2 plus theta second quadrant, pi minus theta second quadrant, pi plus, so 0 to 90 is first quadrant, 90 to 180 is second quadrant, 98 180 to 270 third quadrant, 270 to 360, that is 2 pi, is third quadrant, okay. So in fourth quadrant we have eight angles, okay. So whatever they're asking, just use these concepts. All silver teacup. So pi 2 pi coming means same function. Pi by 2 3 pi by 2 means opposite function. Chapter 2 I gave clearly these formulas. So already உங்களுக்கு வீடியோஸில் கொடுத்துருக்கேன், ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் போர்ட் கொஷின்ஸ் சாப்டர் 1 to 3 கொடுத்துருப்பேன், சரிங்களா. ஸோ அதில் இருக்க ஃபார்முலாஸ் பார்த்துங்க, சாப்டர் 2 ஃபார்முலாஸ் பாருங்கள், இட்ஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். So study these formulas for chapter 5 and thorough board sample question papers 2022 board sample paper கொடுத்துருக்காங்களே, அதில் இருக்க 5.1 கொஷின்ஸ், சாப்டர் 5 கொஷின்ஸ் பாருங்கள். உங்களுக்கு அதுக்கப்புறம் டெக்ஸ்ட் புக் சம்ஸ், ஓகேங்களா. ஸோ டெக்ஸ்ட் புக் சம் தரவாக இருந்தால் சாம்பிள் பேப்பர்ஸ், போர்ட் சாம்பிள் பேப்பர் போட்டு பாருங்கள். ஸோ கொஷின்ஸ் எப்படி கேட்பாங்க தெரியும், சரிங்களா. யூஸிங் திஸ் நோட்ஸ் நீங்கள் டெஃபினட்டாக டேர்ம் ஒன்றில் நல்ல மார்க் எடுக்கலாம். ஓகே.